In this video, we will show you how to create drop-down list in Access. For the purpose of this tutorial, we will be using a pre-existing database. There are several tables in this database. Go to View and select the Design View in order to view the back end of the table. Once the table opens up in Design View, insert a new row. For the purpose of this tutorial, we will be creating a gender field. Here we will select the Lookup Wizard as the data type for the field. As a result, the Lookup Wizard will appear on your screen. Select the second option that allows you to type in the values that you want in the drop-down list. Click on the Next button to proceed. Now enter the items that you want in the drop-down list. In this tutorial, we are creating a drop-down list for gender. Thus, we will type in male and female. Once you're done adding the list contents, click on the Next button. Once you are done, click on the Finish button to exit the wizard. Now go to the View drop-down button and choose the Datasheet view. You will be asked if you want to save the changes that you just made. Click on the Yes button to save the changes. When the table will appear in Datasheet view, you will see the gender field that you created. Click on it, and you will be presented with a drop-down list containing the male and female options that you have allowed for the respective field. In this manner, you can create a drop-down list in Access.